What's going down, y'all? Y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy. We out here. It is 9 o'clock in the morning in Tokyo right now. And I decided to go out, try to grab me something to eat. So we went over to this spot right here. They got kebab sandos, they got the kebab rice, wraps, and everything like that. So I went and got me a little bit of halal. You feel me? Got me one of these kebabs. Great guys over here, very nice gentlemen. I tried to shoot. I know tipping is not customary everywhere, right? But it's just something I do. I gave him the change, which I know was a couple of bucks, but he shot me a soda and everything like that for it, so that was pretty cool. So we about to go back to the telly. We're about to try the kebab sando. I got the garlic hot sauce mix on there, so you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that rocking. I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna go out and do some shopping. I gotta go to Goo. All I brought was long socks with me, so I'm gonna go get some low top socks from Goo. I got the pants on I bought the other day. Shirt from the last time I was here. You know what I'm saying? All Japanese fabrics, you feel me? I even got the Adidas. I got some Adidas from Japan. Pretty cool. So, now that is a hard taxi right there. That thing clean. The silver BBs on it, that's hard. So many cool cars and stuff here, man. It's so dope. But we about to try to make this little run real quick, go get some food in our system so we can have some energy for the day. And I'll tell y'all what we get into here in a little bit. Might hit the I definitely gotta hit the ABC Mart, and they open it in an hour. These crows out here are so huge, man. Crazy. So we got to get to it. I'm gonna run inside, I'm gonna go eat real quick, and then we're gonna come back outside, do a little bit of shopping real fast. Like I said, I gotta go hit some socks, and I want to see how much a lens. I'm looking at a 24-70, so comparing prices, seeing if I can get it cheaper here in Japan. So we're gonna do all that, and I will be with y'all in a little bit, y'all. Peace. All right, let's see what we're getting into today. Still, one of my favorite things about Japan are the vending machines. I love the vending machines in Japan, and that they're everywhere. Hotel rooms, on the street. The ice machines are super dope. I love it. All right, let's go downstairs. Starbucks me moment. Tropical twist. I don't think we even have it. All right. This is a little delivery car. That's so cool. Here we go. My friends are hilarious. Hold on, wait. I gotta get a picture of me and some regular shit. Oh my God, that is hilarious. My homies are funny as shit. All right, hold up. Nope, we got that. Yeah, exposure on point. Hey, gang. Set the timer real quick. That's what I need. I need a magnetic case for my phone so I can actually do this. That is hilarious. Oh, my friends are funny as the dickens, bro. Oh my God, I love my friends. All right. Yes, sir. I just walked out. I literally just walked out the room. Yeah, here I come, for sure. All right, finna go down to the Appa. So this is the hotel I usually stay at, which is the Appa Hotel. Freaking beautiful, amazing place.
So welcome to the Appa Hotels, one of my favorite hotels in Shinjuku. This is the Shinjuku Kabuchiko Tower. This is one of my favorite places to stay. I stayed here for the duration of my stay in Japan, and if I'm going to recommend any hotel to anybody, I'd say stay right here because there's so many things right around your area that you won't have to really leave. From countless food amenities to a movie theater to so many other things around that area that are just so convenient. You're right by a Don Quixote on Godzilla Road or Main Road. So the Appa Hotel Shinjuku Kabuchiko Tower is like one of the best places to stay if you're staying in Shinjuku.
So This is the crazy thing that just happened. I went to go pay for me and my friend's drinks here. As you can see, it's 1,144 yen. And I got this coin purse full of yen. It was a lot of change. And so she took my yen and put it in this machine and she swapped me out.
Wow.
That is amazing.
First time.
America start, no, don't have. Thank you. Let's go. I don't know where to bring your thing of coins. That's awesome. She straight swapped it out for me.
It look like you got 5, 6. You got back a little something, boy. 4, almost 5. That's what I'm like. You had about
40 bucks.
Yeah.
I was sitting there. It's on my
Yeah, I got all my shit. I got it down, boy. I paid the taxes with my shit.
I feel you on that. Now that is cool. That is something.
Like, look how we already started today with a perk.
Right.
Niggas don't understand the small wins. Like, niggas, you know how heavy that coin bag was?
Salute to that. That is awesome. 228, yes. Salute to that hot chocolate. Right, that just took about 3 pounds off of me. They keep giving you the hot chocolate. The hot sleeve. Chocolate chai. Thank you. I need my sleeve. What time is it? 9:54. Perfect. I was gonna head over to Goo, go give me some low top, because all I brought was long socks. Now I got shorts and looking silly with black long socks and shit.
You went and got you some shoes last night?
Got some little Adidas, 20 bucks.
At where? Which shop?
Shoe Palace.
Oh,
Shoe Palace.
yeah.
And the crazy thing was I got the last size. They had no box, no nothing like that. So he shot me a discount, got them for 20 bucks. So another small victory. Perfect. Store opens in 4 minutes. Take a nice little leisurely stroll. All right, what up, y'all? Y'all see we are outside, nighttime, Shinjuku, Tokyo. And if y'all can see behind me, the hustle and bustle of all these people outside on the street. It's super active outside. Daytime Shinjuku and nighttime Shinjuku, totally different places. Everybody's out socializing, having a good time. We outside. We outside. So I'm gonna show you guys around, show you what I'm seeing, and we gonna get into it.